Yo, you got the juice now, man.
Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. Today I've got the Logitech Brio, and as you can see on the side, it does say Logitech Brio still. This product has gone through a number of name changes. I bought this at Best Buy and it says 4K Pro webcam. This does have some new features from the last 4K webcam that came out. It was just a Brio. This one is a 4K Pro webcam and it does have red light 3 with HDR. And we will get into those features and I will let you know what those are. Very quickly, I will tell you that red light 3 with HDR is basically going to help you out in low light situations. So instead of just looking dark and crappy, it's going to make it look like the room is brighter. Now, that's what the red light 3 with HDR is. We'll see how well that works. Another feature that this has is ultra secure login. Because it has so many pixels with 4K, it's able to support facial recognition with advanced security. And that's pretty cool with Windows 10. It uses infrared for facial recognition, which is pretty dang cool if you ask me. And then you're going to use a camera settings application to go through and you're going to adjust the settings of the camera. And because this camera has 4K, you're going to have 5 times zoom. Previously with 1080p cameras, you were only able to do 4, but with this camera, you can do 5. Also, because it's a high-end webcam, you are able to change your field of view to 3 different positions. You're able to do 65, 78, and 90 degrees. This camera also has a background replacement. I don't know how well it's going to work. Basically, if you look on the white paper for this camera, the background replacement doesn't boast anything significant. It basically just says it's going to blur the background. Now, for a webcam, I think that's pretty cool because people buy expensive cameras like this right here to try to blur the background and get that bokeh effect. So for a webcam to boast that feature, I think it's pretty dang cool. So background replacement basically boasts that feature that they're going to be able to blur your background. So I think that's pretty cool. Okay, this webcam is compatible with USB 2 and USB 3. Now the benefits of 4K are obviously going to be the 5 times zoom, the field of view, and the camera settings app. You're able to change the settings through the camera app on your Windows computer. Did I mention your Mac computer? And also Chrome OS. So they did not skip any OS with this. You're able to use this webcam on pretty much any OS besides Linux. But who uses Linux? Right? Am I right? Alright guys, let's see what comes in this box, shall we?
Right here. In the box. Just got a weird box here. Oh my god. It's like the worst box in the world. Yeah. Box got destroyed.
So, right there we have the webcam, and the clip seems like it's attached to the body. I don't know. I thought that it wasn't, but maybe. Oh, we've got some plastic on it. I thought that this clip was not attached to it, but I could be wrong. We've got USB-C, which is very cool. Okay. Pretty happy about that. We've got some plastic. Oh yeah. We like that. Alright, I'm not digging this whole conniption going on over here, but let's see what else we got in the box here. My god. This packaging is just awful. Okay. Alright. We've got a very thick USB cable. Nice cable. We even got a little Velcro tie. Cable's very thick. Feels a very good quality cable right here, guys. Pretty impressed with that. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, for some reason, I was under the impression that the camera body was just the body, but they give you a little privacy screen here in case you're afraid of the FBI watching you, which I wouldn't be surprised. Okay, and some kind of bag. Okay, I guess if you want to travel with it. So let's try to take this off. This strange thing here. Okay, now this thing is so weird. Okay, so this thing, it does come off, but... Okay, so in the front of the camera, we've got the camera, then we've got the infrared, and some other sensors. We've got the 2 microphones, it looks like. What I am wondering is how the hell this comes off, because... There we go. Okay. So, as you can see, this little mounting point, it kind of just... Very strange how it comes on and off, though. I'm still not understanding it. So yeah, it kind of clicks in there. It's a very strange setup for this. So we've got some more plastic around the edge of the webcam. And voila. Nice looking webcam. Pretty impressed with the way it looks. Looks sleek. Webcam looks very sleek. I'm impressed with the fact that it's USB-C. It's like the fact that it comes with a nice bag. It doesn't really come with too much though. The mount system's not bad. I'm gonna hook it up to my computer and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, I'll see you up top. I've got the Logitech Brio set up right here. And I'm in the advanced settings right here, so you can see me right here. And this is pretty cool. All I had to do was download the camera settings app in Logitech.com and set up the mount. The mount is not the easiest to work with, but it's not terrible. Okay, so this is pretty cool. So the autofocus is incredible. It's incredible. It might work better than, it works better than my camera. Yep, it does. It's incredible. See my camera right here? This is the GH5. Has really tough time autofocusing sometimes. But when it does, I mean the camera quality is insane, but it does have a tough time autofocusing sometimes. And this thing is incredible. Now I haven't figured out like the background blur yet. So you can do standard. You can do standard right here. And see where I'm in focus, and then the background is not, or you can do widescreen. I don't see too much. You can change the beautiful picture there. Change the field of view around, and you can zoom in. Crazy. Ah! No one wants to get that close. And then you have your HDR settings. I'm going to give a thumbs up for this camera. I might suggest putting it on a tripod, but yeah, especially like this monitor is very thin. around the edges, so I'm not liking the way it actually looks on my monitor, but I'm gonna leave it for now because, you know, I've just gotten it, so I do want to leave it there for now. I'm actually thinking about getting a second monitor, so like I want to leave this for now, and I'm thinking about maybe putting it off to the side. I got to clean up this room today, so I'm gonna leave it for now, but I really do like the quality of this. Alright guys, that was the first look and unboxing at the Logitech Brio, or Logitech 4K Pro webcam. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content or what I'm trying to do on this channel here. And if you did, make sure you smack that like button and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell icon below. Otherwise, you will not get notified when I drop a video. And I'd greatly appreciate if you did do that. And if you have any questions, make sure you let me know because I will answer all questions down below. So, thanks for watching, guys. Remember, you can follow me on social media at PizzlesTechTime. And I'm always here for you guys. I want you guys to know that. I'm trying to start a little community going here on my channel, if you haven't noticed here. Trying to drop videos weekly, trying to get a little schedule going on here. Usually on the weekends I drop the videos. Sometimes I get 2 in on the weeks that I don't have much going on. But I will drop videos weekly, so make sure you get notified. I really do appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my video. And I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you guys later, and peace out.